After installing the odometer blocker on your Volkswagen Golf 8, you need to activate it. There are two options for this: to activate manually by pressing the OK button on the steering wheel for 10 seconds, or with an app that you can download to your smartphone and control the odometer freezer from your phone. The blocker has 4 modes. Mode 1. The kilometers are stopped at 100%. Mode 2. 20% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 3. 30% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 4. The kilometers are counted at 100%. Super Kilometer Filter. Ride without limits.